Hey, today I'm going to show you how to download PureVPN on PC. So if you want to download and install PureVPN on your PC, you need to go to link that I included on the description of this video. After that you will see this website of PureVPN. We need to click on Get PureVPN Now button, so I click on it. And you will see here some available plans. I recommend to choose 2 years plan because you will save here more money. You need to click Get PureVPN Now. And here you have some payments methods. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Alipay, Payment Wall, or by BlueSnap. You shouldn't have problem to pay for this. I know that you like to pay by PayPal, so I will choose PayPal. And you need to type here your name, email address, and confirm your email address. It is so important to type here correct email address because you will get login and password to PureVPN on your address email. So when you will pay for it and when you will get login information on your email address, you need to download PureVPN. You can go to purevpn.com/download and open it. And here you have some available systems where you can install PureVPN. You can install PureVPN on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Chrome or Firefox. So for example I will choose Windows 10, so I click on it. And here you have download VPN, you need to click on it. And PureVPN setup.x will be downloaded on your system. You need to open this installer or go to folder where it has been downloaded and open it. So I click on PureVPN setup.x. You need to allow PureVPN to make changes on your computer. And now you need to read terms of PureVPN and scroll down. And now you need to click I agree and choose location where you want to install PureVPN. After that you need to click install button. And installing process will be started in. After a few seconds PureVPN will be successfully installed. And when process will be done, a software will be turned on. Now you need to click login button. Username and password has been sent to your email address if you bought PureVPN on website from my description. So I will type here my own username and password. And after that you need to click login button. And after a moment you will be successfully logged in. You have here some options to choose: stream, internet freedom, security, privacy, file sharing or dedicated IP. For example, I will choose security privacy to protect my privacy, so I click on it. And here you have some servers to choose. For example, I will connect to Italy, so I click on Italy. And after a moment, your real IP will be hidden. And you will be successfully connected to a server. So like you see, I have private browsing enabled, security connection is enabled, internet speed is optimized, encryption is enabled, and location is set on Milan on Italy. Here you have duration of your connection. If you want to disconnect, you need to click disconnect. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to install PureVPN on PC, just like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.